Yo, what's good? It's one right at night, and tonight it's the right to always film the police. I'm Sennett. I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. This is just my interpretation of our rights. That we have the right to always film the police, which is protected under the First Amendment, which is freedom of speech, freedom of the press, the right to peacefully assemble, etc. It's the First Amendment that allows us to always film the police, and this specific right was upheld in several court decisions. One as recent as 2011, and it was Glick versus Cunniffe. And Glick was arrested after trying to film the police interact with a young African-American male. Charges were dismissed, and Glick sued because of the violation of his First Amendment right. And after a ruling and an appeal, the city settled with Glick, where he was awarded $170,000. And this was the first case in which the United States Circuit Court of Appeals explicitly ruled that private citizens